This is what my truck looks like after a typical week. The rubber's really hard to get clean. It's hard to get that dirt off. When I put more tire dressing on, it's just cake on cake. So today I thought I'd test a new product specifically for cleaning rubber compared to the old standby. We'll see which one works better. Stay tuned. All right, so today we're going to try Adam's tire and rubber cleaner compared to the old standby Simple Green. This was 13 bucks. This is 13 bucks. You can get obviously a lot of washes out of this, but when the tires look like that, I wanted to try to find something to see if we could speed up the cleaning process, and when we put the tire dressing on, it's not just covering up dirt. So I'm going to pressure wash the tires and wheels first on this side, then I'm going to clean the rims and I'll rinse that off. That should level set, and then we'll just focus on the rubber with this and with this. We'll see which one wins. Time lapse time, little music montage. Let's go. We're just going to use Simple Green to clean the rims on both, and then we'll get to the tires. All right, let's do one final rinse. Let it dry to normalize the rubber to see what it looks like before we get started. All right, let's let it dry. More music. Okay, I think it gives you a pretty good idea of what the rubber looks like after it's been pressure washed. I'm gonna rinse them one more time just to put some wetness on it for both wheels to put the stuff on. You're supposed to let the Adams sit for 30 seconds to a minute. Simple Green, you probably could too. I never really do, but so I'm gonna spray them one more time. Spray on the product. We'll do the Adams first, then we'll do the Simple Green. I'll try to be as scientific as possible. Spend the same amount of elbow grease on both. Let's see. One thing you guys probably can't see is up under here, the dirt's falling off. It's all greasy and grimy and stuff right there. So crazy. We'll see. Side note, this Simple Green also leaves all that residue crap on the underneath the tires as well. So don't think I ever noticed it before. All right, well, let's let that dry out a little bit and we'll see what the results are. I gotta be honest, that looks pretty good. The Adams looks pretty good. It dries out pretty fast, so I didn't leave it on there for more than 30 seconds. But yeah, I mean, so far I'm impressed. We'll see how the Simple Green turns out. Okay, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but the Adams is definitely cleaner, without doubt. So for the money, I don't know. I wouldn't use it every time. They could just use Simple Green for regular weekly washes, but if it's gonna be dry for a while and I'm not gonna go off-road for a while, I think I'd definitely use the Adams to get that clean so I could put the tire dressing on there and have it be looking good and not putting cake on top of cake, if you know what I mean. So there you have it. I mean, that's how much I used for one. So I think I'm gonna keep this in my arsenal. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna do the other one. And then I'm gonna finish up the truck. So stick around for that if you want to. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for the video. Simple Green, not as good as this for cleaning tires. I'll be using this if I want to do a deep clean on the rubber on the truck from now on. Thanks for watching. Cue more music. Something else I forgot to mention, it smells like citrus, so it smells great. And it's safe on painted and clear coat and everything. So, yeah, it says avoid getting this product on raw, polished aluminum wheels and cause hazing, cloudiness, or staining. So other than that, it's safe for paint, safe for clear coats. There you go.